Colors are the smiles of nature, and green is the prime color of the world, and that from which its loveliness arises. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosetta, and today's tutorial is going to be on this cute glittery green smoky eyes. So if you're ready, let's begin. I'm starting with moisturizing my face. Then I'm using a primer to my face, and once it's absorbed into my skin, I started with neutralizing and color correcting. I'm just applying a tiny bit on the dark spots and pigmented areas. Next, I will set this with a loose powder. So I'm applying the powder only on the areas where I have neutralized. Now I'm jumping to the foundation. It's a little deeper and orangey on my skin, but it's okay because after blending and applying concealer, it sets on my skin. I will share the products I'm using in the description box below. After blending the foundation with the damp beauty blender, I'm taking the concealer. You can see the areas where I have applied the concealer and also highlighted the areas. Next, I will blend it with the same beauty blender. And apply loose powder to these areas. Before blush, contour and highlighting, I will quickly finish the eye makeup. I'm applying loose powder under my eyes to dust off any fallout while applying eyeshadow. I will prime my eyelid with the help of my finger and blend it with the blending brush, which will give a good base to my eyeshadow. Now from the eyeshadow palette, I will pick up the black shade and apply it on the outer V, and also I will place it on my crease. You need to be very careful when you're working with the black eyeshadow. Now with a blending brush, I will blend it to get rid of the harsh lines. Okay, so now I will take the green shade and place it on my eyelid. Now with the blending brush, I will just smoothen out the harsh lines. Taking this glittery green shade, I will place it right at the center of my eyelid. And then diffuse the edges to give a smooth transition. Now taking a fluffy blending brush, I will smoothen everything, and now I will take a flat shader brush and apply the same green shade on the lower lash line. I will also apply the glittery green right at the center as I applied on the upper lid. Now dust off the powder under the eyes.
I'm just sitting here.
And now it's time for eyeliner. I'm not making a very extended wing because I want the eyeshadow to act like the wing.
The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful. You and me. We meant to be.
Just slowly I will finish the eyeliner, and now I will apply kajal and mascara. Don't be afraid of applying mascara on your lower lashes because it really defines the eyes so nicely.
Take a step back to see the truth.
And now doing my eyebrows, keeping it very natural. I will just fill in the gaps. Now I'm applying highlighter at the inner corner of my eyes and my brow bones. Just a little bit. I'm very slightly contouring the hollow of the cheeks, sides of the nose, forehead. Now, playing with little blush, I will apply it on my cheeks. And now, applying highlighter on my cheekbones, bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and forehead. Now I'm slightly lining my lips to define it.
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together.
And now applying this pink color lipstick, which goes so well with this green eyeshadow. I really love this pink color lipstick. It goes so well with my skin tone. Now I'm finishing up the makeup with spraying the makeup fixer, and with a beauty blender I'm just dabbing everything to set the makeup. And with this we are done with the makeup. Do you see the before pic? Oh, the camera clicked before even I could smile. Alright, let's move on to the hair. I'm parting my hair and grabbing a small section and twisting it. This hairstyle is going to be very simple and just securing it with the bobby pin. I'm going to make 3 twists on both the sides. Grab a section, twist it and secure it. I'll do the exact same thing on the other side as well. With the hoop earrings, I have finished the entire look. Let me know how you liked it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I will see you guys in my next video. Hope everyone has a wonderful day. Take care of yourself, stay safe, and bye bye.